Do you know we take up many jobs which are way beyond our capabilities, and yet we deliver what our clients want on time, every time? Hi, I'm Rejin Kurian, Managing Director of Falcon Group of Companies, and today I'm here to take you through Falcon Mechanical Services. Being a build-to-print company, we are specialized in metal fabrication clubbed with precise CNC machining. Starting with our fabrication division, our metal forming can handle 0.1 mm to 6 mm of shearing and press brake operations. Larger plates ranging from thickness 6 mm to 200 mm are handled by our oxyacetylene machines with a maximum capacity of 2 m by 6 m plates depending on customer requirements. Our fabrication team is capable of handling complex structures made of carbon steel, stainless steel and aluminium. We have a wide range of machining capability from 20 mm to 1.6 m in turning centers and up to 2 m by 4 m in milling centers. We can offer a variety of drilling solutions starting from 5 mm to 160 mm up to a length of 1600 mm. To protect the machine's surface from corrosion, we can offer manganese phosphate coating, yellow chromate coating, stainless steel pickling and passivation, steel grit blasting and painting services. Our engineering philosophy is dedicated to quality, service and high standards of delivery. Our core values revolve around trust, ethics and commitment. Talk to us as we enjoy approaching complex problems and learning from them every time. Falcon Group of Companies. Together we grow.